What's up, guys? We're on the train. We've been moving for ages now. It's been like 20 minutes, I swear. This train is sketchy. Like, sketchy. Not sturdy, sketchy. Like, it's like, not like, if you can hear that, it's just going bump, 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 bump. And it's so scary because you just feel like it's gonna. Oh, there's the steam. Steam, if you can see, because I'm on a steam train. But it's literally been like half an hour, and we still have half an hour to go. And I'm just looking at the window. Like, there's a river down there, I think. Oh, I missed it. Oh, there. Oh. We keep on going there. Oh, that was the train. Oh, Mount Bang. So, like, there's the river. That's huge. And then let's see what's on the other side. Just like bushes and trees. Just been lying down like this on my coat. And these windows are cool because it's like a belt, and then you like pull it and then the window goes down. And there's more like little tiny. Oh, there's tortoises in the background. Oh, we missed it. Sad moments. But this is really fun. Like, and guys, this is called Railway. Oh, what's that, brother? I don't know. Radar Riding Center. Oh, me and my sister were standing on those the other day. Horse! How did I not see that? Ow. Oh look, there's a horse there. Ah, there's one like down there, I think. It's called Radar Railways. Well, there's more. There. Oh. There they are. Oh look, foggy in Wales. Like, look at the top of those mountains. Oh, little barn. Look at the top of the mountains. Like, can you see that fog? Like, it's mad. Still bushes on this side, but like, if you zoom, hold on, there, that's all fog. Like, all of that stuff is fog, and it is Z. There's lots of houses on the like side of the mountain. I'm staying at our house on the side of the mountain. Pretty cool. The internet's rubbish, so I can barely play Fortnite. But I'm Diamond 3 in Fortnite now because I got carried by my friend. My cousin's friend. And my cousin helps too. So make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll make another video in a second. Peace out, guys.